How to fix Shopee checkout failed. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to fix the Shopee checkout failure. Go to the Shopee app and log in to your account. Scroll down to view all the products here. To fix your problem, open the Settings app on your phone. Tap on the Apps option and then tap on Chrome. Here, you have to clear the cache of Chrome or reinstall it. If you don't want to reinstall it, simply go to the Play Store. Search for Google Chrome and update it to its latest version. Now open the Google Chrome app and search for Shopee support. Select the first link as shown here and type your issue in the given box. It will give a solution to your problem and will fix your problem easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.